Now, part 2. Finding my cousin's house. Oh, I see it. This is the home camps. Oh, here we go. It's 11. Gia, nasa base mo na ako. Sa base mo. Sa 11 na ako. Ding dong. Gia! Gia, I'm on your house.
Wait.
Open the door or I will leave. Ba tayo mag-ding dong? Ding dong. Ching shang. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Nah, just kidding. I'm watching. Now I must go to the... What is he doing in there? Let's watch him. This is his office, I think. Gia, open the door. Now we'll just... I'm a monkey. Nah, just kidding. I'm a control. G, come on. Open the gate. Oh. Let's go. Wait. Oh, hell no, my cousin. No way my cousin dressed like this.
You need to be a police.
He is brain rot, I meant. Because he is a boy. Lego. Copyright issues, I guess.
You need to be army.
No. I need to go outside. Oh, hell no. Help. Finally. Gia, open the door. I need this excavator to go inside. Yes. Ready. He has a... Oh, hell no.
What the hell?
It won't fit. Oh, it fit.
What's it?
No, you. Because you're the owner, bro.
No.
Oh, it's an elevator. Now I'm a part.
This is my car.
I'm a part. I'm a part.
Pabalik ko kayo.
A part that.
My friend.
What?
Wala ka na mo siya.
Now I spawn my own helicopter. 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 Where is the helicopter? What? DX. This is Lego.
That's not a worker, bro.
Gio, pwede mo ako maging roommate?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, it's just backyard.
Punta na ako, kailangan ko ba? Baba.
Now we'll go to the house.
Wala na ako ba?
Okay. Okie dokie.
Sama mo. Halika. Halika. Sama ka dito.
Speak English, bro. My audience cannot understand you, bro.
Tagalog.
Sige na nga. G,
Why?
ano kaya gawin natin? Saan
Punta
nga?
tayo sa gas. Punta tayo.
I need gas too. Gusto ko din ng gas.
Burger.
Burger barn.
Yo! Go there.
Lego.
Oh.
Ito.
I will back up.
I thought you ran out of gas, bro.
It's on tip pa. Look, I think we can...
Alam ko saan yung ano, gas. Hindi dito, G. Ay, ito pala.
No. I need to just park this perfectly.
Nah, this is not perfectly, bro. This is not perfectly.
Come on. Labas. Okay. Okay.
Nah, it's filling gas.
Hey, don't move! Hey, yo!
Mali ang pag-park mo, G. Ganto. Yan. We need to start over, bro.
Bagay.
Whoa.
Look.
Don't start the age. What the? That's why there's two in here.
Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Hey, yo! Wait. Wait! It's not done yet. Okay, busog pa. Dada na. Wow, wow. Ang siya mami.
Bro think he's serious. Oh, hell no.
What the hell?
It hasn't. Bro, turn it off.
This doesn't work.
Where? It's not an excavator. It's a bulldozer.
No, press that. And you need to find something.
What do you mean you're a parent? I'm back. I'm a parent.
You need to collect this. Here. To get the dump.
It's not a dumpster, it's a bulldozer.
A bulldozer.
I think we're under no one is isolated.
Go follow me. I'm just
I'm gonna get there as soon as I can.